So Creo, the another part of the top-down design approach here is, how easily to substitute and swap the components in an assembly. Creo provides a wide variety of tools to substitute one component in the assembly with another one. The first method is interchange group that can be used to replace components that will be frequently substituted for one component. That's all can be done automatically. Okay. The second method is using Pro Program, and another very powerful features in Creo. By running a simple logic like show or remove certain features or replace and delete the parts, the design automatically and intelligently can update the design. Okay, so let us come back to Creo. So I need to give a bit of introduction to Pro Program. I know some of you probably don't familiar with that. So what I got here is, if I just look at my assemblies that inside my directory here. So let me just filter, I know the number for my deck assembly here. So I'm just filter some of those variants which I created already here. So I got few variations of my deck assembly here. So 8593, maybe another design here, 8594 and 896 and so on. Okay, so based on the customer requirement, I would like to get easily that need to be replaced. So the first method here is Pro Program. So with the Pro Program, I can actually give some logic to easily swap the deck assembly. So before I getting into the deck, to show you the Pro Program, so let me activate that deck subassembly here for the lawnmower and show you what I got in the parameter. So in the parameter, I got a very basic string parameter called deck type. It's a string parameter, and that is given the part number for the deck assembly, which I show you before, 8593. So in the Pro Program, so if I just show you the Pro Program here, so I got a very simple logic here. It's nothing but an input. When I regenerate the model, the deck type, that is a string parameter which I show you just before, will come up with an input statement, and user can put the statement here, which is actually the deck he would like to replace with. Like options are given, 8592, 8593, or 8594, and so on. When Creo regenerated at the stage where they need to regenerate that particular subassembly, based on the input value, system will automatically pick that component from my directory or from Windchill if I'm using the PDN system, and then system will regenerate that for me. Okay, that's the whole idea. Okay, having said that, now all I need to do is just regenerate my model, and system will give me that Pro Program input. I can enter, I can use the current value, or I can click, see the deck type, which is again that parameter I have defined at the assembly level, and I just pick that. I have the option to pick which subassembly I would like to use it here. So I can actually, maybe just as an example, I just 8594, and you can see system update that deck assembly instantly. Okay, there are some notifications error, I can disable that. Okay, all right. Now, another way of substituting the component is interchange assembly. So in this example, I would like to swap the front seat for the driver. But before I just get into that, I also would like to explain what is an interchange assembly here. It's again a really useful tool. Okay. So here I got 3 different variations of the seats. And what I have done is same like constraints, same like interfaces for assembly constraints. I have created same constraints for every single components subassemblies here. So when I can easily using these references, Creo can swap the components very easily. So all I need to do now here is I can pick and replace my seat subassembly here, and using the standard replace functionalities. If the interchange assembly has been configured, I will get the option to select which interchange assembly you like. Even before placing, I can actually look at the preview. Okay, and I can select which components I like to assemble. So let us select that and select that green color assembly and apply that changes. So again, it's a really nice, easy way of updating a particular component or a sub-assemblies inside top-down design and create that design variant very easily, okay, based on your customer requirement. All right, before I open for the questions at this stage, if you have any questions on in general about Creo top-down designs or in particular what I have shown you today, just start typing any questions here. I just want to just summarize what I shown you today. So what you have seen today is an overview of Creo advanced assembly functionalities, the tools that help your team to work together, saving time to finish design very quickly and efficiently. So improve the product quality, as you spend more time on innovation rather than rebuilding your CAD assembly. Because you are saving time and producing better product, as you can easily create variation of the designs, and a company can get your product quickly into the new market very faster.